Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Here comes the HAAHOOS. One HAAHOO. HAAHOO. Two HAAHOOS. HAAHOO. Three HAAHOOS. HAAHOO. Four HAAHOOS. HAAHOO. Five HAAHOOS. Look, HAAHOOS, there's a surprise egg. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Ooh, it's green and squishy. And look, it's taken shape of the egg. This is Flubber. Flubber is from the movie Flubber, and we made it on our Disney cruise. It's soft and squishy, and we're gonna try to put an upsy-daisy face in our Flubber. Push hard. There's an upsy-daisy face, just like the stamp. Let's try the tombliboos. Push down. There's a tombliboo face. Tombliboo. Oh dear, our Flubber has broken apart and it's covering the HAAHOOS faces. Poor HAAHOOS. We're going to need some help from Makapaka and his sponge. Can you clean the HAAHOOS? Makapaka. Makapaka scrubs the HAAHOOS with his sponge. It's hard to get off, Makapaka. Excellent job. Makapaka has cleaned the HAAHOOS. Thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Good. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today the HAAHOOS and the Ninky are visiting our beautiful dinosaur garden. And we've put some new lovely plants inside for springtime. So we're going to learn about different types of plants. Our first plant we're going to show you, they're called hen and chicks, and they look like little flowers. They are quite hard, and they're great for fairy gardens or a dinosaur garden. Here are the purple and green hen and chicks. This beautiful green plant was chosen by Tiny Treasures Mini. He thought this looked perfect for a dinosaur garden, and it's got the name called Angelina. This plant is called Lime Zinger. It is green with some pink, and they become beautiful pink flowers. And Tiny Treasures Mini chose this little car for part of his dinosaur garden yesterday.
And somebody could just fit right inside.
That's right. Should we put a mini dinosaur inside? Let's go for a ride, little dinosaur. Oh, look, the little dinosaur found its nest and its mommy. There we go. Well, thank you so much, HAAHOO, for joining us. And please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're with the excuse me, Kitty? Kitty, you're ruining our set. Oh dear. Okay, like I said, Tiny fans, we're with the HAAHOOS from In the Night Garden. And it seems that Kitty is in a very playful mood this morning.
Hi, HAAHOOS. All right, let's sit them back up and fix our set. There are 5 HAAHOOS, and here's the blue polka dot HAAHOO. Kitty is back. Hello, Kitty. Well, Tiny fans, it looks like we will have to do our video with Kitty lying on our set today. That's okay. We have enough room for our surprise toy opening. Here it comes. It's going very slow. What is the name of this creature? It is a snail, and it's a colored wooden rainbow. You know how I love wooden toys. We will begin with the number 1, which is the head of the snail, and it's the color yellow. Followed by the number 2. There it is, a light orange piece. That is the neck of the snail. Number 3, which is the orange piece with a flat bottom. And now we're starting to create the shell. Where's number 4? Here it is at the top. It's the red piece. This piece curves around the back. Number 5 is the pink piece. Do you see number 6, Tiny fans? 9 and 6 are very similar, but I know 9 is this one because of the little line on the bottom, and this blue piece is 6. Now I can't put it together like this, so I need to turn the piece around. Number 7, it was hiding. It's the light blue piece, the same color as one of our HAAHOOS. Now this is where it starts to get tricky. There's 2 notches. So we need our number 8, which is a dark navy blue. Will it fit like this? Oh, no, it's stuck. It's stuck. Oh, okay, let's turn it around. There we go. And we know which piece has the number 9 on it. We're almost finished. We're in the center of the shell. Finally, the green piece, number 10. Now, did you see what Minnie Boo was hiding with the HAAHOOS while we were building the puzzle? Hey, we have a missing HAAHOO. Which one is it? HAAHOO! And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today, the HAAHOOS from In the Night Garden have found some yummy Smartie candies. HAAHOO, HAAHOO, HAAHOO. Hi, HAAHOOS. Have you found some candies? HAAHOO. Let's see. How many of each color do we have? Let's count. Let's count the red ones first, HAAHOOS. 1, 2. Oh, don't fall down, HAAHOOS. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 red Smarties. Let's count the orange HAAHOOS. Which HAAHOO is orange? This HAAHOO is orange. That's right. And this HAAHOO also has many colors around, like a flower. 1 orange, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 orange candies. Now let's count the yellow candies. Which HAAHOO is the yellow HAAHOO? HAAHOO! That's right. This is the yellow HAAHOO speckled with blue and red. 1 yellow, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 yellow candies. Now let's count the blue. Which HAAHOO is blue? HAAHOO, HAAHOO. That's right. This HAAHOO is blue. 1 blue, 2, 3, 4. Not very many blues. What about the greens? 1, 2, 3, 4 greens. Can you see any green on any of the HAAHOOs? I do. That's green. Let's count the pink. 1, 2, 3, 4 pinks. And this HAAHOO has pink. Purple. 1, 2, 3, 4 purples. I don't see any purple on the HAAHOOs. Well, thank you so much for counting with us today. And I'm going to have a Smartie now to eat. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today, we're really excited to show you our AquaDoodle mini mats that you color with water. And there's 4 reusable mats. So as you can see, there's one with Upsy Daisy and one with the porcupine sitting at their dinner table, one with Upsy Daisy Niggle Piggle looking down into Macapaca's cave, and the HAAHOOS. And if you look really closely, it looks like I can see Tombliboos, the Ninky Nonk, Iggle Piggle, Upsy Daisy. Oh, and look, there's the Pinky Ponk. So it says just add water, and then they come alive when you color the water onto the mat. Yay! Let's open it up and start with the first mat. Now, I'm wondering which mat we should use first. I think I like the one with the HAAHOOS. What do you think? Sounds good. So let's open up the mats very carefully. Now this one looks like it's Upsy Daisy. This one looks like it's the porcupines at the dinner table. This one looks like it's Upsy Daisy and Iggle Piggle looking into Macapaca's cave. And there's the one that I'm hoping to color, the HAAHOOS. Now in order to color, we don't use regular pens. We have to find our water pen. Is our water pen in here? Oh, there it is. I missed it in the plastic packaging. So the AquaDoodle pen will not come with water. So I have a glass of water here to fill up our pen. We must unscrew the top. And grab my glass of water and very, very carefully, oh dear, I made a little mess. It may be best to fill up your pen over a sink so that you do not make a mess. Luckily, I have the soft and cozy mat to catch the water. Okay, HAAHOOS, let's color and see what happens. It's just like coloring with a pen, but no mess. And see how the page comes alive. Now you can color slowly or you can color fast. Either way, it works. And when you use up all your water,
you must refill your pen again. Now, after you've colored, the water will eventually dry and your coloring sheet will become white again, and you can color it over and over again, which is great because we all like to reuse when we can because it's good for our earth. Ha-hoo! Ha-hoo! Oh, and who's that? There is Upsy Daisy Niggle Piggle and some flower bushes. And I was right. There's a Tombliboo. Where are the other Tombliboos? Let's find them. And I see a little Macapaca. Hi, Macapaca. Oh, and I finally see the Ninky Nonk. Hi, Ninky Nonk. There's the other Tombliboos. 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 And all of the HAAHOOS. Ha-hoo! Ha-hoo! What a beautiful picture. And the last but not least, the Pinky Ponk. Hello, Pinky Ponk. Pinky Ponk is flying above the HAAHOOS. And then the trees, of course, in the beautiful forest of the night garden. And oh, how I would love to visit the night garden one day, wouldn't you? And we have now completed our picture. How fun! Coloring is so relaxing. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.